Won't you please tell us where we're going?
Are we going on a mountain walk?
Not even close, Dada, but you're going to need that coat.
Here we are at the tippity top of the mountain. What's this? A cave?
Oh, what a surprise! I love caves! Just look at the size of those calcite speleothems.
What are speltoms?
They're cave rocks, Maya. Come on, let's go exploring. Welcome, everyone, to the ancient cave of Everyday. If you would step this way, let me bring you on a journey back in time to the dawn of humanity.
Are we really going back in time, Professor Bones?
Kind of, Maya. What I'm about to show you has been here for many, many years indeed.
Why is it so cold down here, Professor Bones?
That's because the sunlight can't heat the rocks this far underground. That reminds me, I forgot my coat. I'll just get one of those nice jumpers from the cave shop. Apologies, Dada Go, but you will need to stay with us. We wouldn't want you getting lost down here for millennia. Definitely not, Professor.
Whoa!
Long ago, during the Stone Age, the people who lived in this cave painted these wonderful wild animals all around here.
That one's just like Doggy Go.
Maybe it was Doggy Go's great-great-granddoggy. Remarkable.
What are those big pointy things?
That's a stalactite, Maya. You know a little about caves, then? Oh, I read Cave Ramblers news from time to time. Well, all the time, actually.
They look like icicles.
Very clever, Maya. In fact, they're made the same way. You see, when those drops of water fall, they leave tiny little bits of rock behind, and over hundreds of thousands of years, they grow into these beautiful shapes.
Whoa!
If you could follow me into the next chamber and mind your heads. That one always gets me.
Mya Go every day. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya Go,